Here you come. Okay, here. Nazim, take surprise. Okay, Alisha, Akil, Aish. Here. Oh, Akil sampai angry lah.
Akil, terbalik. Sing.
Okay, Wash.
Sing.
Wash, happy. Okay, come on. Okay, here. Oh, Tara go.
Dari sini dah.
Okay, here. Tara go. Teacher ada set. Set Oh, set lah. Teacher tak ada lagi set ni. Okay, come show me a angry face. Mana siapa got angry? Oh, angry. Oh, Alisha. Yeah, Alisha. Alisha angry. Okay, come. Here. Akil here. Akil happy. Okay, who got happy face? Okay, come. Oh, Fahana. Fahana apa tu? Fahana tengok. Okay, siapa happy? Oh, Akil, come. Show me your happy face.
Akil.
Oh, Akil. Oh, Alina juga. Okay, come. She happy and then teacher sad.
Macam mana?
Tengok mulut teacher sad. Wash happy. Wow, okay, come. Show me a happy face. Okay, good job. And then Nazim got surprise. Come, show it to your friend. Macam mana Nazim surprise? Cepat. Macam mana dia Nazim surprise?
Kita mulut nanti.
Okay, put here.